Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm very excited to discuss about ChatGPT 4 with you, including its new features and limitations. Let's dive right in. GPT-4 was officially announced on March 14th, as was confirmed ahead of time by Microsoft, even though the exact day was unknown. As of now, however, it will only be available in the ChatGPT Plus paid subscription. The current free version of ChatGPT will still be based on GPT 3.5. GPT-4 will also be available as an API for developers to build applications and services. Some of the companies that have already integrated GPT-4 include Duolingo, Be My Eyes, Stripe, and Khan Academy. GPT-4 is a new language model created by OpenAI that can generate text that is similar to human speech. It will advance the technology used by ChatGPT, which is currently based on GPT 3.5. GPT is the acronym for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a deep learning technology that uses artificial neural networks to write like a human. According to OpenAI, this next-generation language model is more advanced in three key areas: creativity, visual input, and longer context. In terms of creativity, OpenAI says GPT-4 is much better at both creating and collaborating with users on creative projects. Examples of these include music, screenplays, technical writing, and even learning a user's writing style. Longer context plays into this as well. GPT-4 can now process up to 25,000 words of text from the user. You can even just send GPT-4 a web link and ask it to interact with the text from that page. OpenAI says this can be helpful for the creation of long-form content, as well as extended conversations. GPT-4 can also now receive images as a basis for interaction. In the example provided on the GPT-4 website, the chatbot is given an image of a few baking ingredients and is asked what can be made with them. It is not currently known if video can also be used in the same way. Lastly, OpenAI also says GPT-4 is significantly safer to use than the previous generation. It can reportedly produce 40% more factual responses in OpenAI's own internal testing, while also being 82% less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content. While discussing the new capabilities of GPT-4, OpenAI also notes some of the limitations of the new language model. Like previous versions of GPT, OpenAI says the latest model still has problems with social biases, hallucinations, and adversarial prompts. In other words, it's not perfect, but OpenAI says these are all issues the company is working to address. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools tutorials and info. Stay tuned.